my gosh! Where are we going to store all of this frozen cookie dough? Only half of the parents showed up. The school doesn't have any room in their freezer or fridge. Sally, do you have any room to store this frozen dough that the parents didn't pick up? No? Okay, thanks. Joanne, do you have any place to store this? No? Okay, thanks. The cookie dough is going to go bad, and I'm going to have to refund all their money. There goes my profit. What a mess.
Don't let this happen to you. Cookie Joe's non-frozen cookie mixes are so popular because you don't have to deal with the hassle of handling and storing frozen products. Just add egg and butter to our mixes, and it turns into dough at your home.
I love these cookies from Cookie Joe, and their brownies and funnel cakes are yummy too.
We sell to the smallest and largest customers. Remember, there is no minimum order, and we ship for free. Our mixes are kosher certified and peanut free. Call us at Cookie Joe to learn more about the features and benefits of our non-frozen cookie dough program.